Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up a live chat on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So you go there if you haven't already and go ahead and sign up for an account. So you're going to need an account. If you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. If you have one, in the upper right corner you can go ahead and log in normally. So once you have logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by of Odoo, from where we can get started with accessing our configuration, site settings, and so on to set this up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the official odoo.com documentation page, where we have a live chat option that we can go and take a look at, and how to go and take a look at how to set it up. So here we have the enable live chat option. The live chat application can be installed multiple ways, so you can go to the apps application and search live chat and click install. So here, as you can see, you have the site option from where you can access everything, and you have the apps under configuration, so you can go ahead and open them up, and in the apps you can go and search for live chat. So you're going to go and search for live chat, and by doing so it's going to give you a result of all the applications that you have for live chat. So what you can do is search for this, and you're going to have it, click the install button, and get started following the rest of the steps on how to install it to your website. You can go to the documentations page right here to set it up in great detail, and that is how to go ahead and get it done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.